my name is Nish Pareja, and I'll be discussing Art of Animation 1 today. We usually work on tutorials before actually grasping on projects that we work on. For example, when we use some programs like Adobe Animate and Maya, we usually try to work on the tutorials first before we actually work on projects. Well, for our first semester, we work on 2D animation and, trying to make sure it looks all right, And for Maya, second semester, we work on Maya. For 3D animation, usually it's either modeling or the animation itself. This class, well, I like how it's more of an introduction on how to use these programs because I know these are industry standard programs, so I just like experimenting with it,